So this is a $2 pot from the thrift store. It's really heavy, so I think it's concrete. It's cute like it is, but it doesn't match my color scheme, so I'm going to paint it. Pretty big, maybe foot, a little longer than a foot. This turntable that I got for when I want to paint things, and then I'm gonna base paint this color. Here's the first coat. So my base coat was kind of that dark gray, and then I mixed together some baking soda, just a sample I had of a light beige out in the garage. Here's what it looks like so far, and I'm going to clear coat it as well. I added felt pads to protect the surfaces. This thing's heavy.